Okay. Hello, everyone. So, in this class, we are going to discuss conditional SOP and PS continuation. And I will include the new topic, universal gate proving. Okay. Any problem from the previous lecture? Do you want to ask any question from the previous lecture? Am I audible to all of you? Okay. So first of all, I want to discuss this question. This is 2020 question of the board based on conditional SOP. All right. One second, actually, some students are still pending to join. Okay. So these kinds of questions mostly asked in the examination. One question you will get related to the SOP or PS. This is basically based on conditional POS. Okay. So I want to discuss this question. In this question, you have to concentrate on the two things in starting. One is what are the inputs and what is the output. So there are four variables are given in the input section. So four variable truth table we have to draw. Lecture is started. 1 minute, please. Okay. A. And you have to use these variables which is mentioned in the input section. AGRW. Okay. One second. Okay. And the output also mentioned in the question. C. X. X is the output. Okay. X is the output. So immediately we have to draw the truth table for the four variable. And after that we can change the topic. 40 8081, sorry, 678. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Understand? Okay. Now after that, 40, then 41. I'm just copying this section and pasting. Done. 2021. Same thing. Okay. Now in the last section, 01. Okay. Okay. My truth table is prepared. Now, this is my truth table. Output always decided according to the condition, and condition always given in the question. That's why it is called conditional SOP और कंडीशनल पीएस. ये एसओपी है, पीएस है, वो हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. पहले हम कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग प्लॉटिंग करेंगे 1 और 0 की. इन ऑल द अबव केसेस 1 इंडिकेट यस एंड 0 इंडिकेट नो. मतलब जहां जहां पर कंडीशंस हमारी ट्रू हो रही हैं वहां पर हमें 1 प्लॉट करना है इन आउटपुट सेक्शन, इन आउटपुट सेक्शंस, और जहां जहां पर कंडीशंस हमारी फॉल्स हो रही हैं वहां पे 0. ओके, कॉन्सेप्ट आपको मालूम है, बस यहां पर कुछ नई कंडीशंस है. ओके, अब हम यहां पर सबसे पहले कंडीशंस को फ्रेम करेंगे. तो 1 मिनट प्लीज. इफ एयर कंडीशनर एंड गीजर आर ऑन, एयर कंडीशनर इज ए एंड द गीजर इज जी. सो पहली कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग ए हमारा 1 होना चाहिए और जी हमारा 1 होना चाहिए. रिमेनिंग आर एंड डब्ल्यू आर ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन द इनपुट, सो आर एंड डब्ल्यू डजंट मैटर. चाहे ये 0 हो या 1 हो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वी ओनली हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन A1 G1. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट कंडीशन. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द सेकंड कंडीशन? ओके, in the second condition the air conditioner is off and the A is saying the air conditioner is on, but in the condition it is given air conditioner is off, so A has to be 0. A हमारा 0 होना चाहिए. but geyser and refrigerator are on, मतलब गीजर एंड रेफ्रिजरेटर मस्ट बी ऑन. यानी अपार्ट फ्रॉम ए, जी एंड आर. जी इंडिकेट्स द गीजर, आर इंडिकेट्स द रेफ्रिजरेटर, बट द गीजर एंड रेफ्रिजरेटर शुड बी, मस्ट बी ऑन, आर ऑन. सो जी शुड बी 1, आर शुड बी 1, डब्ल्यू may be 0 or 1, doesn't matter. This is my second condition. Now what about the third conditions? Well, all are on, means air conditioner, geyser, refrigerator and water purifier all must be on. So what will be the last condition? A should be 1, G should be 1, R should be 1 and W should be 1. All right. The condition is clear to all of you. Can you please confirm? Okay. Can you please confirm? All are there? Is there any problem?
No.
Okay. I thought actually due to some technical reasons the meeting was ended automatically.
सर म्यूट हो गए थे बीच में आप.
Yes, yes. 1 second, please. 1 second. Just a moment, please. Actually, I have to write down all the conditions once again. Can you please help me to write all the conditions once again? Just a moment, please. So what about the first condition? A should be, if the conditioner and the geyser are on, yani A should be 1 and G should be 1. Okay, 1 minute, please. A should be 1 and G should be 1. Okay. And what about R and W? R and W of any. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay. Now what about the second condition? According to the second condition, if air conditioner is off, A 0, but the geyser and refrigerator must be on. Geyser, refrigerator should be 1 1. And what about W? W kuch bhi ho, doesn't matter. Now what about the third condition? Okay, according to the third condition, first condition, second condition, third. If the geyser is off, geyser off. Okay, 1 second. If geyser off, but air conditioner and purifiers are on. Okay. अगर A 0 है, if A is 0, oh, sorry, 1 second please. If G, according to the third condition, look at the third condition, if geyser is off, यानी अगर G हमारा 0 है, that means the geyser is off, but air conditioner and purifier must be on. तो G0 के साथ साथ हमारा एयर कंडीशनर and water purifier means W must be on. Okay, this is a little bit complicated condition, but we have done. Now what about the fourth condition? It's a recent question asked in the 2020 board. Well, all R1. All R1 means A 1, G1, R1 and W1. Just we take a very short revision of all the conditions, then we will go for the implementation part. If air conditioner and geysers are on, okay, A must be 1 and G must be 1, okay, according to the first condition. Now what about the second condition? Someone is asking, sir, the fourth condition to first be covered. Okay, now what about the second condition? A 0, if the air conditioner is off, means A 0, but geyser and refrigerator are on. So geyser should be 1, refrigerator must be 1, and the W is 0. Or W is 0 or 1, no problem. Now what about the third condition? If the geyser is off, okay, मतलब G हमारा 0 होना चाहिए, but air conditioner and water pipe purifier must be on. The air conditioner and water purifier must be on. Okay, third condition is also done. Now what about the fourth condition? Well, all R1, A1, G1, R1 and W1. All the four conditions I have just written. Okay, then we will see how much covering will be done. Okay, if maybe second condition covered the whole third condition, no problem. We will not put again the one. Okay, so these four conditions are clear to all of you. Can you please confirm? Any doubt in this condition? So accordingly, we have to plot one in the output section. तो सबसे पहले हम अपनी फर्स्ट कंडीशन को देखते हैं A1 G1. A1 G1. तो A1 होना चाहिए एंड G1 होना चाहिए. तो A is 1, but the G is not 1. Okay. A is 1, G is not 1. A is 1, G is not 1. A is 1 and G is also 1. So we can place 1 over here. Because according to the first condition, this section is true. A1, G1. A1, G1. Only we have to concentrate on A and G. A1, G1. Okay, no problem. This is basically the first condition. Okay, इसको हम little highlight कर रहे हैं. Okay. Now what about the second condition? A0, G1, R1. A0, G is not 1. Okay. यहां से देखते हैं. A0, G is 1, but R is not 1. Okay. So according to second condition, it is not satisfied. A0, G is 1, but R is not 1. Now look at this case. Look at this case, please. A0, G1, R is also 1. So we can place 1. Now what about second? A0, G1, R is also 1. Okay. According to second condition. Okay. इसको भी हम थोड़ा हाईलाइट कर लेते हैं. अब इसके बाद हमको A0 कहीं मिल नहीं रहा है. तो आई थिंक सेकंड कंडीशन, अकॉर्डिंग सेकंड कंडीशन हमें 2 रो ही मिलेंगी जिसमें हमको 1 प्लॉट करना है. A0, G1 and R1. All right. Okay. Now what about the third condition? G0. G0, but the A must be 1. Okay. No. यहां तक तो हमको A1 नहीं मिलेगा. Look at this. G0, A1, but the water purifier is not 1. Okay. So this is not a satisfied condition for third. Now what about this? G0, A is 1, correct, and W is also 1. Just I am highlighting this portion, and you also have to think according to me. Now please look at the third condition. Geyser is off, but accordingly if geyser is on, then air conditioner and water purifier must be on, so we can place the 1 according to third condition. Now what about this? G0, correct, A is on, but W is not on. Okay, no, we have to leave it. Now what about this condition? G0, correct, A is 1 and the water purifier is also 1. So we can place 1 over here. I'm just highlighting this part. Okay. All right. Now after that, all are 1, so we can leave it. Now what about the fourth condition? The fourth condition, all must be 1. So this is the last case and that is already covered. So we cannot place 2 1. Okay? Only we have to place a single 1, चाहे वो last condition से आ रहा हो या किसी और condition से. Okay? Can you please confirm this part is clear to all of you? And remaining we have to fill up 0. Okay, 1 minute please. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this condition? Any doubt? Just I want to place the serial number over here. Okay, done. Serial number are basically help in writing the cardinal expression. 1 minute, please. Okay. This is done. Fine. Okay. Now, we have to check. All the conditions are covered. This much is clear to all of you. Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second, please. I think someone is asking the question. Okay. No doubt. Arika, are you there? Okay. Now, let me check what is given in the question. Draw the truth table for the input and output that we have done. Given above the right the Pierce expression. Okay. So we have to write down the Pierce expression of the AGRW. AGRW. तो हमें जहां जहां पर कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रही थी, जहां पर कंडीशंस ट्रू हो रही थी, वहां तो हमको 1 प्लॉट करना था. वो हमें इससे पता चला, इस पार्ट से हमको पता चला कि what we have to place when the condition will true. So when the condition will true, we have to place the 1. But हमें SOP लिखना है या Pierce लिखना है, ये सेकेंड लाइन में क्लियर होता है. So draw the table for the input and outputs given above and write the Pierce expression. तो Pierce expression के लिए what we have to do, we have to only concentrate on the zero section. जहां जहां पर zero आया है वहां पर हमको लिखना है POS. Okay, so how to write the Pierce? Okay, A plus G plus R plus W. हमें Pierce में 1 को 0 में कन्वर्ट करना होता है. यहां पर ऑलरेडी सारे जीरोस हैं, तो नो नीड टू टेक द कॉम्प्लीमेंट और नो नीड टू कन्वर्जन. Now what about this section? A plus G plus R plus W complement, because W is 1. So 1 has to be converted into the 0 in the PS. Okay. Now what about the second section? A plus G plus R complement plus W. W is already 0. A plus G plus R bar plus W bar. Understand? Now what about the fourth section? A plus G bar plus W plus R plus W. Understand? Now what about this section? A plus G complement plus R plus W complement. ये जो कॉम्बिनेशंस आप लिखते हैं, ये कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशंस कभी रिपीट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि these are all the possible combinations of 4 variable truth table. जब कोई कॉम्बिनेशन यहां पर रिपीट नहीं होगा तो आपके मिनटर्म और मैक्सटर्म की जो एक्सप्रेशंस आएंगी उसमें से कोई एक्सप्रेशन रिपीट नहीं होगी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस? इन दोनों वंस को हमने स्किप कर दिया बिकॉज वी आर राइटिंग द मैक्सटर्म और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम. तो अब यहां पर देखें तो A कॉम्प्लीमेंट प्लस G प्लस R प्लस W. ओके, नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस? A complement plus G plus R complement plus W. Understand? Now I don't think so कोई और हमें मिलेगा. Okay. Now these are the individual expression in the form of sum, and we have to write down the expression in the form of product of sum. So what we have to do? Okay, so here we have to write down the expression in the cardinal form that we have done in the several time. Okay, so here first of all we have to take output. So X is an output, and inside the bracket we have to mention all the input variables like A, G, R, W. Because output is based on inputs, so we write down all the inputs variable inside the bracket. Now here we have to write down the pi or sigma pi because it is product of sum. So we have to mention the pi symbol. It will be a symbol actually. Okay, comma. Now we have to write down all this expression. Just I'm copying and pasting like that. 1 minute. Okay, and copy and paste is not allowed, so we have to write down. Okay, A plus G plus R plus W and dot. मैं कुछ लिख देता हूं ताकि आपको आइडिया हो जाए. इसी मैनर में आप लिख देंगे ताकि हमारा टाइम सेव हो जाए. A plus G plus R plus W complement dot. Now A plus G plus R bar plus W. Third, okay, and dot dot dot. In this manner you can write all the expression. Can we leave this? Can you please answer? Can we leave this? आप लिख लेंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Important question in the section of product of sum. Okay, this is basically 1, 2 and 3. 3 sections we have covered. Now what about the 4th section? A plus G plus R bar plus W bar. This is the 4th section. And dot. What about the 5th section? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A plus G bar plus R plus W. And similarly, what about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th section? A plus G bar plus R plus W bar. Because it is a part of answer, आपको ये लिखना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, इसलिए हम लिख रहे हैं. A bar plus G plus R plus W. Now, the final one is A bar plus G plus R bar plus W. Okay. I don't think कि कोई और होगा इसके बाद. Okay, done. This question is completely done. Okay. I just want to save this question. Okay. So any doubt in this question? Similarly, we can try other questions like 2019. इस क्वेश्चन को भी आपको ट्राई करना चाहिए. You should try this question. So can we change the topic? The conditional SOP and PS is clear to all of you, so we can change the topic and consider the another things of the Boolean algebra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we change the topic? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. My next topic is we have to prove universal gate proving. It's another very important topic, and I will prove all the possible gates. 1 minute, please. Okay. Now, what do you mean by universal gate proving? NAND and NOR are the universal gates. What is the reason behind? What is the reason behind? We can construct
Sir, because
all the gates with the help of NAND and NOR gate. Understand? It is also called functionally complete gate. Okay. In the examination, the question can be asked in the 2 ways. Either it will be given in the question, prove the NAND and NOR are the universal gate, and proof NAND and NOR are the universally complete gate, or functionally complete gate. The meanings are same. कोई ऐसा गेट जिससे हम सारे गेट्स ड्राइव कर लें, बना लें, तो उसको कहा जाता है यूनिवर्सल गेट. Understand? Okay, do me a small favor. Just I am disconnecting this meeting because the time is very less remaining. So we will get the fresh slot and please connect again. Okay? Just so we will continue this topic. Understand? So I'm just basically ending the meeting.